Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. Once again we are going to run Pocket Option Robot, Alpha 1 Trader and Alpha Master. This is two binary option robots that you also can download completely for free. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video you'll find a link to my free Telegram Forex Signal group. So if you're interested about that, link below the video. But now let's start up these two amazing robots. And just like that, $137 with Alpha Trader and Alpha Master running together. You can have this robot also, link below the video, and you can download and get started today also. So with that, have an amazing day.